Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install navigation and backup camera for a 2016 Audi A4. We use the tailgate, basically trunk handle camera, replacing trunk handle. As you can see, it's same as factory camera. This is the original screen. Basically it's just a blank screen, and it comes out and then we replace it to our screen. That's the navigation. Right now it's running. That's where we are located. We are in Markham on Conrad Crescent. By going to reverse, we go to the backup camera with the PDC and dynamic parking guidelines. And if we want to go back to the Audi MMI, just by clicking that Audi logo, it goes back to the original internal MMI. And by touching the screen, we can go back to the aftermarket menu. Also, we have Bluetooth music streaming. For Bluetooth music streaming, we have to add auxiliary to the AMI. We have to add auxiliary cable to AMI. And you're gonna have Bluetooth music streaming too. If you're interested to get this type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can visit our website at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.